inspired purple look. So if you'd like to see how I recreated this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so as you can see, I've already applied my foundation, concealer, as well as my eyebrows, and I'm just going to start straight on my eyes. So the first colour I'm going to be taking today is just this one right here, which is called Charmed, I'm Sure, and that is by Too Faced, and it is their Sweet Peach palette. So I'm just going to use that one as a transition shade before I apply any purple. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go back into my Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to take the shade Delectable, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to pack that onto a dense brush and then put it in the outer corner of my crease. Now I'm just going to blend that one out. Now I want to make that crease just a little bit darker, so I'm going to just take this eyeshadow right here. It is called Gosh, and it's in Aubergine, I believe? Aubergine, yeah. So this is what I'm going to be putting in my outer crease just to deepen it up a little bit more, using that same dense brush as well. Wow. This is going to be like really, really purple. This is either going to look really good or look like I have two black eyes. So now that I've finished with my crease, I'm going to go in with a new colour, and this is going to go on my lid, and it's going to be quite shimmery, quite bright, almost kind of holographic, like I'm thinking kind of unicorny. So yeah, I'm going to just experiment and see how it goes. But I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is kind of that holographic kind of shade. Using this brush right here, I'm just going to run that under my lower lash line as well. I'm also just dipping back into that Aubergine shade, and I'm going to run that right here and just in the outer corner. I think I might even use a little bit of black eyeshadow just to really deepen out the outer crease. So just in that big palette with all the colours that I showed you before, there's a black colour. So I'm just going to put that on this brush here, and wow, that's actually really dark. I just pressed my finger in that. Oh my gosh. Okay, alrighty. Might have a little bit too much on my brush, but that's okay, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and add that holographic shade right here into the corner, the inner corner. Now I'm just going to grab my concealer, and this one is the BYS All Day Wear Concealer. I used it in my last video. I'm going to put a little bit of that on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to do something similar to a cut crease, but not a cut crease. But I'm definitely going to carve out that colour. I'm just going to experiment with it and see how it looks. So it looks a little crazy, but that's alright. I'm just going to do the same for the other eye now. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to take a little bit of my Laura Mercier powder and tap that onto, oh wow, okay, I didn't need that much. But I'm just going to tap that onto where I put, so much coming out of this, where I put the concealer. So I actually have this Moonchild Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm actually just going to take the colour Purple Horseshoe and I'm going to apply that over where I put the concealer and the powder. So I'm just going to take this NYX white eyeliner and I'm going to apply that right here to just define that line even more. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Precise Liquid Liner and just do a normal cat eye wing, but going from underneath and then all the way out. Connecting that wing as well to the white. Okay, so that's done. I look a little crazy, that's okay. I think I'm going to go back in with that highlight shade and just put a little bit of that on my lid. And then I'm just going to put a few more little dots under that black wing. So now I'm just going to tightline my eyes. So I'm now going to add some mascara, and this one is just by Model Co. It's called Volumize. And now I'm just going to apply some false lashes. So I'm now just going to apply some bronzer, highlight and blush, and I will be right back. So I have already applied my highlight, but I'm actually going to add a little bit more of that Purple Horseshoe colour just onto the high points of my face. Okay, that looks really cool. I love it! And now now for my lip colour, I'm just going to be taking a Kylie Jenner lip kit by Kylie Cosmetics, and it is in the colour Malibu, and I'm just going to apply that with my lips. First the lip liner and then the actual lipstick. These smell so good. Oh, they're amazing. It smells like marshmallow. And that is the look done. So this is what it looks like. I'll insert a few little, posing clips here. I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. I mean, like, for just experimenting and just making that up as I went along, I'm really happy with that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments because I'd really love to know. Also, don't forget to leave me any recreation ideas that you would like to see me do because I would love to do those. And I think that's pretty much all I've got to say. So make sure that if you liked this video to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already because even though I've only just started my YouTube channel, we're already growing and that is amazing. So I really appreciate those of you who have already subscribed and continue to watch my videos. It means the world to me. Don't forget to check out my Instagram if you would like to. It is at purelyglamourmakeupartistry. And make sure to stay tuned for the next video because it's going to be just as exciting as this one and there's plenty more to come. Thank you again so much for watching and I hope that you're going to have an amazing day.